Hey guys, this is Holly Knudson. I'm based in Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm an internet marketer. You can visit my website at hollyknudsonmarketing.com for more information. But today I want to show you how to create a logo in Canva. And if you're not familiar with Canva, please do get familiar with Canva because it will allow you to make a variety of graphics to scale your business. So I'm in canva.com, and right here you can see a bunch of templates. Logo, Instagram post, poster. I want to make a logo, so I'm going to click on that. If I hadn't seen that, I would go up here and type in logo, and then it would show me the templates too. So there's a couple different ways to get there. So I'm going to click on that and you'll see the different templates that come up. You can also start with an empty canvas and make your own. But for this tutorial, I'm going to start with a template. And just come down here and see what colors and fonts and shapes catch your eye. I actually like this one, the half stitch. I like that font. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this for a friend of mine, and her company is called the Digital Maven. So I'm going to highlight that and just make the text smaller. That was a little big for me. And I'm just going to type in the Digital Maven. That's the name of her company. And you can switch out the font if you want. I picked this one because I happen to like the font. And then you can go up here and you can change, the alignment. You can bold it. You can change the colors. You can underline it. It's, whatever you want to do up here. Change the font size. I'm kind of liking that. And then if you want to move it, just highlight that and you can move it to where you want. I'm going to keep this line. I kind of like that, but I want to add a little tagline. So I'm going to go up here to the text and I'm just going to drag a text bar over here and I'm going to type in SEO strategies for women on the go. This is what she does. She helps women optimize their blogs for SEO so they can get found in the search engines. But obviously that looks quite terrible. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to go to one of my favorite fonts. Let's see. I like Crimson Pro, Telegraph Light, and some of these fonts you can see like there's different options. That's way too big, number one. That's too big. See, and I just want it under here. I mean, I could have it there. I could center it. What do you think about that font? Anyway, you get the idea. SEO strategies for women on the go. And now I want to add an element. But actually, I wanted to tell you about this font. See, a lot of fonts will have like Telegraph Medium, so it's a little heavier. Telegraph Bold. I mean, I typically don't love bold fonts. They're a little too much for me. But I like the light on this one. So I'm going to leave that there. But now that's a little plain for me. So I'm going to go up to elements. See all these different options you have right here? And, ooh, I'm kind of liking that. And you can see all these different options. And you can also type snow. So do you want snow on yours? I mean, this is how a snowflake would look. And you can size that by just dragging the corners and then just dragging the icon. That actually looks kind of cute. I mean, there's snowmen, there's Christmas trees. You can type in here arrows or lines or whatever you want. But I'm kind of liking this little icon. But that's too big for me. And I can switch out the color. Ooh, no, blue. I mean, this is going to depend on your brand colors. And so I'm going to pick this green, and I want it up here, but no, I don't like that. So see this little icon down here? This allows you to move graphics, and that's pleasing to my eye. So I'm going to leave that just like that. And then what if I didn't like the background color, which I actually do because it's really simple. But if you want to pick a custom color, you can go up here to new color and you'll see all the different options. Ooh, no. Or you can just pick one of these. And then if you want to change the opacity, where's the setting for that? Actually, oh wow, no. No. I'm going to go to the original color. Actually, I kind of like that. I think I'm going to keep that. You'll see your different colors here. Like, you know, that's my color right there if I wanted to match that. But I think I'm going to go, I don't know, I kind of like that, or I kind of liked that pink too, but I think for right now, I'm going to go with this. And then if you want to add like a phone number, for instance, you can drag another text box, and that's too big. I could even have that littler maybe, and just type in, this could be your email address too, it could be a phone number. I mean, whatever you want people to go to. It could be the same text, it could be, the same font, it could be a different font. So this is fun. I mean, just play around with how you want it to look. That's actually kind of busy for me. I like, let's see, what would it, why don't we leave it like that, the same font? But basically, there is my logo. And so then when you're done, you want to go up here to download, and you can either do it as a PNG, which is higher resolution than JPEG. We obviously don't want PDFs. If you're going to upload this to your website, I would suggest downloading a JPEG because the file size is smaller. But if you're going to post it on social media for whatever reason, then I would do a PNG file. So I will do that and just download that to my desktop. And that's basically all there is to it. You can also sign up for a pro Canva account, and I'll actually leave the link underneath this video, and that will enable you to have access to more photos and more fonts, which I've been using the free version, but the premium version I'm thinking about upgrading to it because there's different icons you can use. Like you can see like some of the fonts, like where it has this little crown there, that is a pro font that, unless you had a pro account, you wouldn't have access to. And if you can see the photos that, a lot of them, like this one right now, it's pro. So if I wanted to use that, I would either need to pay $1 for it or upgrade my account. But anyway, that is as simple as it is to make a logo in Canva, and you just saved yourself a significant amount of money, because if you hire someone to do this, it can get a little pricey. And I want to leave you with a quote, and I like this. You have the potential to create beautiful and magical things. Yes, you. Thanks so much for watching, and go create a logo today while this is fresh in your mind. Bye for now.